Hi, this is Eric Kirkpatrick again, and I'm here to talk to you about some things that I see in my practice, particularly with personal injury and workers' compensation cases. It's not something that happens all the time, but I want to make people aware of it, sort of what to expect. It's a little bit more friendly advice than it is legal advice, but I thought I would talk about it today. These personal injury cases, such as automobile accidents, construction accidents, medical malpractice claims, things like that, those are very stressful for the people that are injured. The same is true with a workers' compensation claim against somebody's employer. They're very stressful, and that stress is what I want to talk to you about. The effect of that stress on you, what you should do about it, and then how to handle that with your lawyer. From the lawyer's perspective, we know that it's a stressful situation for you. We know that we should be doing everything we can to help you and to try to get you through this process as efficiently and effectively as we can. And that's ultimately what we try to do. Sometimes, though, things are beyond our control. You know, if one of my clients is injured in an automobile accident and they're not able to work because they're getting treatment and have to have surgery and all that, unfortunately, I don't have a switch to just all of a sudden fix the financial problems that has caused them. All I can do is try to move the case forward and get the best recovery I can. The same is true with the workers' compensation case. The point is that people have stressors in their lives. Accidents affect your income, accidents affect your health, accidents affect your family, they affect your spouse, they affect everything in your daily life. Sometimes with all of those factors that I mentioned, the stress along with the pain, it can cause people to have a lot of anxiety, a lot of depression and things. And what I've found over the years that many times people, particularly men, are hesitant to understand that an injury, a physical injury, the stress of a physical injury can affect their mental health. A lot of guys, a lot of men don't want to seek counseling because they're tough. They're tough enough to make it through it. They've never seen a counselor before. They've never taken any kind of anti-anxiety medication, things like that. What happens is you can very quickly go down a path that's not a good one. I see people over time get depressed. I see people change. If you're going through that, please don't hesitate to go ahead and suck it up and get the care that you need. If you think you've got post-traumatic stress disorder from something that happened during your work accident, by golly, make sure your doctor knows, and there's medication and things that can help you out with that. If you're stressed because you're not able to pay the bills, if you're having issues with being up at night, make sure you tell that to your doctor. They can, there's medication that you can take. There's psychiatric care that you can get. I'm not talking about necessarily have to go to a mental hospital, but there are counselors and things that address this. Social workers, psychologists, those are the ones that sit and chat with you for an hour or 30 minutes or whatever and try to help you cope with the issues that you're having. Maybe it's anxiety, maybe you're angry, maybe, you're depressed. But beyond that, somebody like a psychiatrist can match up your symptoms specifically with the right kind of medication that might help you ease through this. I know this isn't a topic that sometimes people want to address, but it's a real thing if you're experiencing the depression and anxiety after your injury. I'm just encouraging you to take those steps necessary to make yourself feel better, because often, these workers' compensation and personal injury cases are never pleasant. There's no sense in you having to suffer any more than you need to. Again, this is Eric Kirkpatrick. My telephone number is 618-239-6070. If I can help you out on a personal injury case or a workers' compensation case, or if you just have general questions, please feel free to give me a call. I'd love to chat with you. Thank you. Have a good day.